Hey there, in today's video, I will show you how to import images in Canva. And here is how. Step 1. Open Canva and head to the main dashboard. Click on Create a Design. For our example, I will choose YouTube thumbnail, but feel free to pick the design that suits your project. Step 2. Once you have selected your design canvas, navigate to Uploads on the sidebar. Look for and click on the Upload Files button. A window will appear. Step 3. Double-click on the image you want to upload. Watch as it loads onto your canvas. Once it is done, click on the image to select it. You now have the power to resize, center, and tweak it to fit your design perfectly. And that's it. How to import images in Canva.